Hi, this is Mike Henriksen from Velocity 2013 in Santa Clara. I'm here with Mandy Walls. Mandy, how you doing?
Not too bad, Mike.
So you're with OpsCode.
Yes.
They've been around for a while with us, haven't they?
Absolutely. 100%.
Yes.
Every year.
And so are you picking up any different themes at this year's event than the prior events?
I think this year, at least the vibe that I've been getting from different folks is that it's a lot more representation from enterprise clients rather than in the past we've had a lot of web folks come through, and this year we've seen a lot more of the sort of what you traditionally think of as enterprise.
People from an IT shop in a large company.
Yep, IT shops, and not necessarily like the .com teams from those companies, but like infrastructure and data center folks coming in. So.
And what do you think they're here for? Is it the cloud or scaling or all the above? Or
I think it's all of the above. So over the past year or so, we've seen a lot more interest from traditional shops on virtualization, being more flexible, sort of reaping all the rewards that Agile promised, that kind of thing on the IT side. So there's interest in the tool set and the culture that goes around and sort of evolved out of the web that we've been building here in Velocity over the years to sort of import that into more infrastructure teams.
the culture, that sounds like a book that someone just published.
It might be, yeah. So.
And can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah. So we get a lot of questions about so around DevOps. It started out as sort of it's vocabulary around sort of existing practices. It was just a matter of how do you define these successful projects? How do you quantify the tooling and relationships needed to really be agile, be successful with technical projects? And so DevOps has been rolling a few years. We've got DevOps Days and some other external projects. But like our customers and other folks that are here are super interested in how you foster better relationships, how you have more better professional bearing when you're dealing with people who aren't on your direct team, how you have these technical conversations with decision makers who aren't necessarily technical, in addition to then layering in these new tools and new processes and workflows that facilitate all of those things.
So you put that all in a book for O'Reilly, right?
I have an ebook out on that.
It's called?
It's called Building a DevOps Culture, I think.
Or the culture, yeah. Building the culture of DevOps.
Building culture, I think that's what we called it, yeah.
And it's here at this conference.
It's in print here, which is pretty exciting. So, yeah.
And it's digitally everywhere else, right?
Absolutely, yeah. It's available on O'Reilly.com/velocity blog.
So where is OpsCode going in the future?
We're actually plugging on. We're building new features into Chef and Chef Server. We have lots of plans for, starting to meet more needs that our customers have come up with over the past couple of years. We have a lot of folks that are giving us good feedback. Our community continues to thrive with, amazing, relationships and secondary projects that pop up to help our other customers. We're moving more with, we've done some work with Microsoft this year for Azure and a lot of really high profile, really, really good relationships with that stuff.
Good, so we'll see you in New York?
Heck yeah, I'm on the committee for New York. It's really exciting. We're looking at the grid. It's going to be great.
Great, we'll see you there. Thank you.
Thanks, Mike.